Hey, Entrepreneur First. So, this is my video for the application for Fall 26 program. So, I'll be answering the two questions. The first question is, what's something you have learned the hard way and that most people still get it wrong? So, I have built two startups before this, and I come from a tech background. So, something which I relate to a lot is that most of my peers and other founders believe that building the product is the 100% of the thing. But that's not the case. Building the product is just 50% of the case. The remaining 50% is getting to the customers, solving the actual pain point, pivoting at the right time, listening to the customer's feedback, and solving that pain point at the pain junction. This is, I firmly believe, and this is a lot of people get it wrong. Maybe because on Twitter and LinkedIn, they just feel it nice to just build the product and upload it, but that's not how it works. You also have to make sure that you talk to customers every day and pivot when required. So this is something which I think that people I have learned the very hard way in building my last two startup. I just built the product, I launched it, and it didn't work out. Later on, from a very experienced founder in Mumbai, he told me that listening to users' requirements and feedback is the most important thing. And this is something which I missed, and this is something I advise even to my peers. Next question states, what's a problem you can't stop thinking about, and what's your current best guess at why it's unsolved? So currently, I'm working on a project which is OnePort, which is an AI operating system. The problem which I can't stop thinking about is that the entire orchestration layer being so much memory hungry and computation energy hungry that it is nearly impossible to make it run at any desktop or a remote computer. I just can't stop thinking that today we are at such a generation where supercomputers is just like a year's thing. And today we are even suffering through computation problems. My current guess, and also the data which I have read from Techstars as well as GitHub repository, README, is that computation energy requires RAM, and all the companies such as Nvidia, Qualcomm, they are not able to cater to the supply and demand gap. The amount of RAM required for computation is not being able to cater to the computational power. So this is something which I believe. Also, yeah, so that's about it, and that's all about me. I think I overshoot the time. Okay.